How to upload documents to AccessKC Financial Aid. Step 1. On a desktop or laptop computer, visit the Kilgore College homepage, kilgore.edu. Step 2. Click on Financial Aid. Step 3. Scroll down and click on the AccessKC Financial Aid Login button. If you submitted a FAFSA, you are automatically added to the system. Other students will be added by KCFA as needed. Step 4. Click on the First Time User link if you've never logged in. Step 5. Enter your Social Security number to activate your account. Step 6. Enter the required information to complete the activation. Read the terms and conditions, check the box, and click Submit. Note: be sure to check you are in the correct award year after you log in. Step 7. Click on the AccessKC Aid menu, then click Documents and Messages. Scroll down to the section Your Missing Required Documents. View your missing documents, an explanation of the documents and their status. Download the KC form that you need to submit by clicking on the document title. After downloading a form, complete the form. Many are fillable PDFs. Print and sign the form. Scan and save the documents to your computer, or take a high-quality image with your phone or other device for uploading. If you have something to submit that's not a KC Financial Aid form, you'll need to create a file with those documents to upload. Scanning apps for your phone or tablet will allow you to create a PDF file you can upload. Visit your device's app store to find out what apps are offered for your device. Example: using Cam Scanner on your phone to upload and submit your documents. First, click the camera icon to start scanning. Second, look for a batch scanning option to scan more than one page into a document. Don't forget to scan the back of a double-sided document. Be sure to rename your file so that you can find it later and upload it correctly in AccessKC Aid. Then create a PDF of your scan in Cam Scanner. Click Share and choose the PDF option. Click Share in the upper right-hand corner to save your file. Save the file to your device. In this example, save to Files. Then choose where the file should be saved. To upload your document, use the Upload It Now link. Not available for all documents. On a computer, the document's upload window will appear. Choose your file to upload by clicking the Choose Files buttons. Make sure it's a PDF or JPEG file. Click the Upload button. Wait for the message stating the upload was successful before closing the window. Uploading your files on a phone or similar device. 1. Click Choose File. 2. Find the document. 3. Select your document. 4. Click Upload. After the upload, the status of your document will be received. After all required documents are submitted, KC Financial Aid will review them and complete verification. You will be contacted if they need more information. You will receive an award offer via email once all required documents and processes are complete. Accept or decline your offers in your account. Thank you, and remember, your future starts here.